It's IBC 2025 and we're in Hall 8 with Marc, Glensound. We're doing a number of videos here, and on this occasion we're in front of, well, we're in front of the screen.
We're in front of the screen because last year we launched a product, our DARKDAWN 1616M. DARKDAWN 1616M is a 16 input, 16 output analog interface in and out of Dante or Ravenna, depending on which version you go for. With mic amps as well, switchable. Initially it came out just with control from the front panel, so the gains, and you can see the metering from the front panel, because the DARKDAWN, the concept of the DARKDAWN is it's very much for studio environments where it's got a nice front panel with all the metering, and you can see the levels and adjust the gain. What we have now, we've released the software, so you can control it via the software as well. We have UDP control that we use. It also has JSON control. So a lot of the software apps that are available, our command list is available, and it can be controlled by many other software applications. But this is our house software that we've now released for the DARKDAWN on GlenController. So for worldwide compatibility, you can adjust the lineup level. Right. We're -18 in Europe, but other parts of the world use different lineup levels, so you can set that for input and output actually. You can switch the monitoring here. The little headphone section will switch the audio monitoring on the headphone amplifier that's on the unit. Of course, I can select the gain. So this is the input gain here. This is the type, is it a line or a mic? We've got phantom power, we can pad the input, we can reverse the phase, and we've got a high pass filter. That's settable now remotely per input. On here you can see we've got nothing coming in at the moment, but we do have outputs. The outputs you can stereo and mono, and you can reverse the phase. We will have, this pot will also be on the output levels shortly, so you'll be able to adjust the audio level coming off of the network as well as the audio going into the network. So it's a fairly comprehensive remote control, both in and out, for the 16 channels that are on the DARKDAWN 1616M. So this is available now for existing DARKDAWN units. As long as it's got the latest firmware and you're using the latest GlenController, you'll have our remote control. But as I said, it is UDP and JSON, the DARKDAWN 1616M, so there are many other software applications that can control it as well.
Yeah, is this a download on the website? Just
it is.
Free download?
It's a free download. It's our house controller for all our remote units, which is free. And
as you go along, you just be adding the devices that you want.
One really neat feature actually in our controller, if you just wanted to have a look at it. If you go into our controller, there's a section here that says demo mode. If you put demo mode on, you will get a demo version of all of our units. So you can download it, you can pull up the DARKDAWN demo unit if you just want to have a walk through the software and see what facilities that we have available.
Brilliant, there you go. Well, I think we've used the DARKDAWN actually in one of our studios here. So,
you are very fine customers.
Yeah.
I resent the fact that you're always after a discount, but you know.
Yeah, well, got to get something for our efforts. Thank you very much, Marc. We've done another couple of videos here on the Glensound booth. For everything else that we've been doing at IBC 2025, it's kitplus.com.